There, YouTube. Just doing a little cleanup around here. This used to be the old chicken coop that I tore down next to my shed, and I'm going to use all this as parking space for my two riding mowers. I made that coop out of pallets, cut them all up with a chainsaw, and burn them in my pit. Of course, there's that Craftsman I saved from the junkyard, and the Husky is over here. Both of these run. There's nothing wrong with the deck or nothing. Didn't have to do much. The Husky over here, that's my quick runner right there. Fires right up, faithful little thing. Don't mind the background noise, neighbors and their four-wheeler. And this is the new coop set up, 2 coops. I got like 16 chickens all together. And hopefully, these ones are in there, and I got other ones outside free range, and these ones are too young. Just updating stuff and cleaning stuff up right now. Been very busy. See you again soon, later.